Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I picked up another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. You decided to pick it up, so you want to protect your beautiful investment. Look no further. I decided to pick up the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 01 design case. The reason why I like this case, it has like an imprint or a design of a phone on it, so it looks like the inside of your phone. I've been using the 01 for a few different phones now, and I really do enjoy this design. You lay this down on a table somewhere, someone will come ask you, what kind of case do you have or what phone do you have, because they do see it, and it piques their interest on what kind of case that is. So it is a conversation starter sometimes when you have your phone laying down flat and they look at it. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge with it? It doesn't have MagSafe, so we can just see if you can wireless charge. I don't think you will have a problem with it. Do you get lip protection? Do you get camera protection on here? The overall fit, does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case review or video. You can get this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. But bam, this is the case itself, the packaging. If you know Spigen, you know the packaging. It's pretty simple. Plain, if it ain't broke, don't fix it type of thing. But let's get into it. Enough about the packaging on it. But here is the case itself. And this is why people love the design. It's right there. Look at it. It's cool. It's going to show off some of the beauty of your phone, but protect it too. So, bam. That's how it will look with the yellow. Look at it. You can see the yellow parts in the inside. That is cool. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You get some. I wouldn't slam it down, put it on a rocky surface, but you do get some protection. I like how the cutouts are precise like that. You also get lip protection from the top and the bottom. The case does go over the side of the phone too a little bit, but you get most of the protection from the top and the bottom. Everything lines up at the bottom here. The pen is simple to get out, so no problem there. Let's check out the buttons. The power button feels nice and tactile. The vine rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile too, as you can tell there. I do love when companies make the power button ridged like this one is, so you can tell that you're pressing the power button. The microphones at the top are lining up too. It is not a bulky case. This is pretty lightweight, so it doesn't really add bulk to your phone, but you can see the protection on the corners too. And just the design of the case itself looks really good. The case is not slippery at all. The size gives it a little bit extra grip too, so it's not a slippery case. Now, can you wireless charge? And let's check out the fit too. The fit is pretty good. A little loose at the bottom here, but what can you expect from, with all these openings down here? The size fit good, maybe around the power button a little loose, but again, it comes back. Here is where you want to see. How does it come off? Like, if it takes a little bit of work, which this one does, this is great because if you drop your phone, I say this in almost every video, if you drop your phone, you don't have to worry about your phone popping out of the case and then hitting the cement or the floor, wherever you drop it at. So, for it to come off, it takes a little bit of work, which is good. This is a good fitting case. So, let's just recap and then we can see if we can wireless charge. Let's see. Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues, as you can tell there. Now, just to recap, overall fit is really good. The buttons are really nice. You get camera protection and lip action in the front. You can wireless charge with it. So if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.